Wall Street is looking for an 86% move up in the price of Micron stock. That is impressive. Let's talk about why and when right now. If you're new to me, my name's Austin. I cover Micron, AI, stocks, semiconductor chip, all of that kind of stuff here on my channel. I'm trying to build a community. Please hit that subscribe and hit that like button if you like what I am doing for you. Okay. So a major move from Micron is coming. All right. Micron has soared 800+% in the last year before dropping. Now it is down dramatically in the last, it has been down dramatically in the last month, but it's actually withered away some of that, if you will. It's only down 7.3% in the last month. It was as high as, I believe, 18 to 20% down in the last month or so. But okay, now looking forward. So analysts are encouraged by the strength of the supply-demand imbalance and long-term agreements. I am as well. I've talked about this a lot in previous videos, previous Micron videos. We've talked about how the cyclical nature of memory is basically kind of going away, is no longer a major scenario playing out in the memory sector. Okay. So let's talk about more. We've got a roller coaster ride coming. I definitely believe that. I think we still have at play underneath everything this scenario of where Wall Street is still trying to figure out CapEx expenditures. Are we okay with that? How big is AI really going to be? These companies that are spending all this money on AI, the Oracles, the Microsofts, the Googles, the Amazons, the Metas of the world, how are they going to make these things profitable? The last earnings announcement we had, really especially from like Microsoft, as well as some Amazon, there was a lot of visibility, and Google, there was a lot of visibility and insight into how the AI compute platforms are in fact already making money and going to be even more money profitable as we move forward. Okay, so there are 56 analysts covering Micron stock. Listen to this. None of them have a sell rating. Think about that. Out of 56 Wall Street analysts, none of them have a sell rating. That is unprecedented. I mean, that's one of those, like, you get 56 analysts in a room, they usually can't agree on what to have, for lunch, if you will, or Coke or Pepsi, whatever, right? None of them have a sell rating. 4 have it rated as a hold. Okay. So the median price target for the stock is $1,600. Right now, you can see we're trading at $911. And that is approximately represents an 86% increase. Now, some of that might have moved from production time from when we were talking about this article being printed, as well as kind of the overall. I mean, we're up right now, almost 5% today. Okay, so take that with a grain of salt as far as percentage move, but we're still looking for an 80% plus increase in value right now. Okay. So the biggest driver of Micron's profits has been the memory chip supply shortage. That is not going to go away, guys. We are going to continue to see this shortage well into 2028, okay, if not further. Fabrication facilities, manufacturing facilities are being built as we speak, but they're not going to come online until in the next couple of years. In fact, I believe I read the other day is that Micron and SK Hynix have already actually sold out pretty much their 2027 stock. It's already been assigned. It's already been accounted for. This batch is going to that customer over there, so forth. Think about that. 2027 is pretty much already done. And by the way, pricing's locked in, gross margins, net earnings, all of that will be good because they're going to be managing that supply chain and that shipping time frame to obviously come down and manage profitability, guys. Okay, so what does this mean for us as Micron holders? Well, it means, bottom line, we've got moves up. Okay, if you continue to stay strong and not let any trend or narrative that you're hearing coming out of Wall Street dissuade you, then you are looking at a opportunity to make 80+% if you bought Micron today. Okay. If you've owned it short or longer, then your profits are going to be even more bigger than what you see right now. And that's the good news, right? That's really what it comes down to. So Micron going up 80+%, price target. We know, let's remember that it is the median price target of $1,600. right there. There are price targets that are north of $2,000 for Micron, and I think we could see that. That is absolutely a strong possibility, and that's what you need to remember and take away from this, and understand that that is in our future as Micron holders. And I think that that's really the bottom line. That's the key here. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. I'm going to take off. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. By subscribing, you're telling me that you like what I'm doing, and I'll keep it up for you. As always, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes, and thanks. Take care.